Okay guys, so this is such an awkward way to record, but I want to show you guys how I was trying to thread my bobbin case, and for whatever reason, I don't know why it's not catching. So look, so I'm holding my thread just how I usually hold it to thread it, and it's not catching. It's just spinning, right? So I literally had to open up take off the ball, open up the machine, and really look at the mechanics and see what's going on. So I noticed that when I turn it, this is wobbly. So I'm like, okay, is this supposed to be wobbly? Let's see. So I just go ahead and I take my screwdriver, because it's like wobbly. I don't know why, but whatever. I take my screwdriver and I'm holding it very tight, and then I'm just gonna hold the I'm gonna let go of the string. Let me see. Let me take my needle up. Oh look. So now it worked. Let me do that again. Yikes. That's a piece of hair. So I'm going to take it out of attention, right? And I'm going to show you guys one more time. So when I do it, oh, the string is not even in the right place. Okay, so when I do it, it doesn't catch. It's not catching. I'm just turning. But when I take my screwdriver and I'm holding it taut, I'm not even going to do anything. I'm just going to turn it and watch how it catches. Look at that. And so when I lift it up, there we are. And here's the string. Oh wait, I need it down. Okay, so here's the string. And now I'm ready to sew. So what that tells me is that I have a problem right here, and this needs to be tightened. For whatever reason, I mean, maybe it's just over time it became loose, but I need to tighten it. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna put my machine back together. This is why you guys really need to follow my YouTube page. I will be going through all of these different scenarios, as it happens to me. I'm just gonna record it and fix it so you guys can find out at the same time as me how to fix it, and you'll have like an actual demonstration. So yeah, so subscribe to my YouTube. Bye.